What truly makes a civil engineering project great? Many might think of budgets, deadlines, or the complexity of design. These matter, but they do not capture the whole picture. Greatness goes beyond numbers and drawings. It lies in how projects bring together precision, people, sustainability, and trust to create lasting value. In such a demanding environment, what separates a project that simply gets done from one that leaves a lasting legacy? Share your thoughts in the comments below. At the heart of every successful project is a great team. Yet today, design firms around the world face a difficult reality: the talent crisis. Recruiting, training, and retaining engineers is increasingly costly and uncertain. AXA Engineers addresses this challenge through a distinctive philosophy expressed in the idea where engineers thrive, not just perform. By creating an environment where professionals find happiness and purpose in their work, AXA Engineers has achieved remarkable stability, earning recognition as the #1 best workplace in Vietnam in 2025. For partners, this stability means working with a consistent and motivated team that delivers exceptional results, project after project, without disruption. Quality is another essential element. In civil engineering, even the smallest detail can determine success or failure. A misplaced line or incorrect figure can cause costly delays, reputational damage, or even structural risk. That is why every great project demands a culture of precision, where nothing is left to chance, and every stage is governed by clear standards. Great projects are built on systems that prioritize accuracy from the very beginning, not just as a final check, because prevention is always more effective than correction. Timelines are also crucial in determining the awesomeness of a project. Infrastructure must often be delivered under intense pressure, with deadlines that leave no room for hesitation. Firms that can respond flexibly to workload fluctuations without compromising quality rise above the rest. AXA Engineers addresses this challenge with more than 80 engineers working in dual shifts, turning time zone differences into an advantage. By advancing work overnight, AXA Engineers helps partners accelerate timelines while maintaining precision. This kind of agility is what allows projects to keep pace with the needs of growing communities. No project, however, can be truly great without trust. Intellectual property, design integrity, and secure collaboration form the foundation of long-lasting partnerships. When stakeholders feel their work and ideas are safe, collaboration flourishes. Trust is the invisible structure that holds a project together even before the first stone is laid. It is built through transparency, clear communication, and consistent delivery of promises over time. Without trust, even the most advanced design can collapse under suspicion and doubt. But with it, teams work more openly, share knowledge more freely, and resolve challenges more effectively. True trust also extends beyond contracts and technical safeguards. It reflects the character and integrity of the people involved. Beyond technical excellence, a truly great project also carries a deeper purpose. It tells a story about vision, resilience, and responsibility. Civil engineering is not only about roads, bridges, and buildings. It is about shaping the future of communities, creating safer and more connected spaces, and leaving behind a legacy of value. A great project touches not only the present, but also the generations to come. What makes a civil engineering project truly great is not just the finished structure, but the values it represents. The outcome is more than infrastructure. It is progress, stability, and inspiration for the future. A truly great project is one that stands the test of time while creating a legacy of positive change, and AXA Engineers is dedicated to making that vision a reality. What do you think defines true greatness in civil engineering projects? Let us know in the comments and join the conversation.